So today we are going to start with books of prime entry. And usually who keeps this books of prime entry? Big businesses, right?
Yeah.
And how many books are there? 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. And the first one is what?
Cash journal.
Yes, you can call it cash book or cash journal. Same thing only, right?
Yeah.
After
Yeah.
that we have
Purchase journal.
purchase journal. Then
Then
sales
sales.
journal. Then
Then purchase return.
purchase return journal. Okay, then sales return journal, isn't it?
Yes.
Sales return journal. And after that we have
General journal.
general, or you can call it nominal also. Okay, so these are the rather maintaining one journal. A big business will maintain how many journals? 6 journals, right?
Yeah.
So today we are going to discuss on cash book, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there are 4 types of cash book. So first we will discuss the types of cash book. So first one is a simple cash book, right?
Yeah.
Simple cash book. Second one is two column cash book. Third one is 3 column. 3 column cash book. And which is the fourth one?
4 column.
No, it is petty cash book, right?
Oh, okay.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You thought it will go in order, right?
Yeah.
So the fourth one is petty cash book. So usually, but actually, what happened? The big business they don't. They usually don't maintain the initial these 2 books. Okay, simple
Right.
cash book they don't maintain. 2 column cash book also they don't maintain. Directly we will discuss on 3 column cash book and petty cash book, isn't
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
today's discussion will be on 3 column cash book, or you can call it 3 column cash journal also, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So first, let understand that what kind of transactions we are supposed to record in this, right? So what is the name of the book? Cash book, isn't it?
Yeah.
So only we will record cash transactions. Cash transaction.
Okay.
No any credit transaction. Only cash transaction we will record in this 3 column cash book.
Okay.
Cash transactions means inflow of cash and outflow of cash, right? And
Yeah.
it includes banking transaction also, right? If we are getting check, that also we will record in cash book. And if we are paying, if we are giving check to someone, that will also be
Yeah.
recorded in 3 column cash book. Got it?
Yes.
So the overall conclusion is what? In cash book, we are going to record only cash and banking transactions. No any other transaction, right?
Right.
Cash and banking transactions. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now let me draw the format of first. First, we'll draw the format of 3 column cash book. Ready? There are 3 column to record the amount, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a 3 column cash book. And for which month we are preparing, that also we need to mention. So let's
Okay.
say for the month of Jan 2022, right?
Yeah.
So the format is ready. Okay, now we need to understand how to record transactions. Okay, so we will take some cash transactions and then we will understand the recording, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So this is all about our format of 3 column cash book. Now let's see. Are you able to understand whatever I'm teaching? Are you able to comprehend?
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So it's let's say 2022 and Jan 1st. Okay. First transaction we will do is commenced business with cash $10,000. Okay, Jan 2nd purchased machinery for cash $2,000. Third one, purchased goods for cash let's say 5,000. Jan 4th, paid carriage $300. Jan 5, sold goods for cash let's say 7,000. Then Jan 6th, sold goods on account let's say 2,000 and less trade discount at the rate of 10%. What is trade discount? That also we will discuss. Right? TD means trade discount. Then Jan 7 received cash from customer. Let's say $1,700 in full settlement. In full settlement. Then Jan 8 paid cash into the bank. Let's say 3,000. No, let's say 1,500. Then Jan 9 issued check to pay salary $300. Okay. And the next is Jan 10, the last transaction. Withdrawn cash for office use. Office use $100. So these are the transactions we need to focus. Okay.
Yeah.
Many new things we are going to learn today. Right?
Right.
So transactions are there. The 3-column cash book is also there. And these transactions now we need to record. And remember one thing, only cash transactions I am going to record, not the credit transactions, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So what is my first transaction? Tell me the first. Commenced business with cash. So always I told you earlier that always you think yourself as a business, right?
Yeah.
Not the owner. You are the business. So tell me which two items affected here?
Capital and cash.
And we are preparing cash book, right? So only we need to focus on these items. So cash we need to focus. So tell me, cash will be debit or credit?
Cash will be debit.
Debit, because we are getting cash now. You are a business, right? Owner invested 10,000 in the business, right?
Yeah.
So as a business, you are getting money. Increase in asset, what? Debit, right?
Yeah.
So this is my cash book. So debit na?
Yeah.
So debit side I will record. Here I will not pass journal entry. Direct I will put in the cash book. This is kind of ledger posting only, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I know in this transaction cash account will be debited. So in the cash book, this is my debit side, right?
Yeah.
The debit side in cash column I will put 10,000. And what is the name of the other account?
Capital.
Yes, so that I will write here, the name of the other account. Put the date 2022, Jan 1st. I hope understood.
Yes.
And here we are not recording in capital account. Right now I am focusing only on the cash book, right?
Right.
I know second posting will take place in the capital account, but right now we are not preparing that. Got it?
Yeah.
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 Now next transaction readout.
Purchase machinery for cash 2000.
Now tell me, cash increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
The decrease in asset.
Credit.
So I will record this on the
Credit side.
credit side of the cash book. So this is the credit side, and in cash
Yeah.
column I will put the money 2000, right?
Yeah.
And what is the name of the other account?
Machinery.
Yes, machinery. And put the date Jan 2nd year 2022. Easy or hard?
Easy.
Just you focus only on cash and bank. If they
Yeah.
are increasing, increase in asset debit. If they are decreasing, decrease in asset credit. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Next transaction readout.
Purchase goods for cash 5000.
Now tell me, cash increasing or decreasing?
Uh, Decreasing.
So decrease in asset.
Credit.
The credit side I will put the money, right? 5000, isn't it?
Yeah.
Name of the other account will be what?
Goods. Purchase.
Yes, purchases, right? Date
Yeah.
Jan 3rd. Got it?
Yeah.
I hope you are getting how to record transaction in the cash book, right?
Yes.
Now next transaction is what?
Paid carriage
Paid
300.
carriage. Do you know what is carriage?
Yeah, it's the transportation
Transportation
charges.
charges. We brought goods, right?
Yeah.
So this much amount I paid to the supplier. But to get that goods to my shop, I need to pay transportation charges, and that is carriage, isn't it?
Yeah.
So tell me, cash increasing or decreasing?
Cash decreasing.
So decrease in asset,
Credit.
credit. So credit side again 300 in cash column. I will put name of the other account.
Uh, Carriage.
Yes, carriage. And what is the date? Jan 4th.
Fourth.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now next transaction readout.
Sold goods for cash 7000.
Now here tell me, cash increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
So increase in asset.
Debit.
So debit side in cash column I will put the money 7000, isn't it?
Yes.
And name of the other account?
Sales.
Excellent. Sales. Jan 5th, right?
Yes.
Now next transactions readout.
Sold goods on account 2000 less than trade discount at 10%. But
Yes.
this one we cannot record, right? Because it's an account.
Yes. Excellent. Your observation, your learning is correct. Here
Yeah.
we sold goods on account. On account means there is no cash inflow.
Right.
So this we are not going to record it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we need to understand what is trade discount.
Right.
So trade discount is basically when we buy goods in bulk, right? Then the supplier will allow us some discount.
Yeah.
That is called trade discount. Imagine
Right.
what is the value of the goods which I brought, which I sold actually. Right now I am selling the goods, right?
Yeah.
So someone has brought, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what is the price?
2000.
But I will allow him trade discount. Actually the
Right.
person has brought the goods in bulk. Okay.
Right.
Price, this is the print price, and I allowed him trade discount 10%. So 2000 and its 10% will be how much? 200, right?
Yeah.
So the bill will be of only 1800. The person is supposed to pay only how much?
1800.
1800. So understood what is trade discount?
Yes.
Trade discount will never record. We just
Right.
subtract the trade discount from the print price, and whatever value we will get, with
Yeah.
that value, with that net amount only, we will record the transactions. Got it?
Right.
So this is the print price, this is the trade discount, and the net amount is 1800. It means that person, that customer owe me how much?
1800.
1800. I hope understood.
Yes.
That person is my trade receivable. Yes or not?
Yes.
Because he didn't pay the money. So that person
Right.
is trade receivable. And with how much money?
1800.
1800. Because I already allowed him $200 discount. No need pay. This is print
Yeah.
price. This is discount. He owe me now 1800.
Yeah.
Okay. Now read out. So, and we are not going to record this because we sold goods on account. So this we are not going to record in the cash book, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now come to the next transaction.
The next one is receive cash from customer 1700 in full settlement.
Now tell me, he is supposed to pay me how much?
1800.
But he paid me how much?
1800. Sorry, 1700.
And in full settlement. In full settlement. In full settlement of, let me write, of dollar 1800. So don't you think again I allowed him discount?
Yeah.
I allowed him again discount, isn't it?
Yeah.
He is supposed to pay me 1800, but I told him that just pay 1700. That will be
Yeah.
okay. So this discount is known as cash discount. Okay?
Right.
He owe me 1800, but I allowed him $100 more. And I am taking only how much money?
1700.
So this is known as cash discount. Cash discount.
Right.
And this is known as trade
Receive.
discount. Got it?
Yes.
So I hope understood what is trade
Yep.
discount and what is cash discount.
Yep.
Trade discount is just to motivate the customer to buy the product, right?
Yeah.
So I offered him that print price is this, but if you buy, I will allow you 200 off. So
Yeah.
immediately he brought the goods, right?
Yeah.
So I motivated him and he
Yeah.
brought the goods in bulk. So the objective of trade discount is what? To motivate the customer to buy the goods in bulk, right?
Yeah.
So he purchased it and now he owe me how much? 1800. But I told
Yeah.
him that if you pay me immediately or within 1 week, I am going to give you $100 more off.
Yeah.
So this discount is just to motivate the customer to pay me early.
Right.
Otherwise, he will keep me, holding. He will keep
Yeah.
me waiting for the payment.
Yeah.
So I told him, you brought the goods, no problem. Thank you for that. But one more offer is there. If you pay me within 1 week, I am going to give you $100 off more.
Right.
So immediately he paid me 100. Immediately he paid me, and as per my business policy, I offered him $100 now.
Right.
Reduction rebate. So now how
Yeah.
much he's paying me finally?
1700.
So that is the final amount I am getting. So trade
Yes.
discount is to motivate the customer to buy the product, and cash discount is to motivate the customer to pay me on time. Understood the
Yeah.
difference?
Yep.
And trade discount we are not going to record, but cash discount we are going to record now. Right? Now see
Right.
how to record. Now tell me I am getting money or I am paying money.
You're getting money.
So cash is increasing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So increase in asset.
Debit.
So debit side I will record. How much money did I receive?
1700.
So 1700 here and discount I will write here. $100. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
And here who paid me? Trade
Trade receivable.
receivable, the customer. I don't know the name, so that's why trade receivable. If I know the name, I will be writing the name only.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
So new thing when I understood today, trade discount and cash discount and how to record. Yes or not?
Yes.
So once again,
Yeah.
trade discount we never record, but cash discount we record. We record the cash
Right.
discount. So see, I recorded the money I got and plus the discount I allowed him. Okay,
Yes.
and the date is Jan 7, right?
Yep.
Now next I hope you understood this transaction.
Yes, I did.
Now next transactions tell me what is the next transaction read out.
Next one is paid cash to the bank, $1,500.
Yes, paid cash into the bank. This is another new transaction and something new to learn. Okay, so let's see. Paid cash into the bank. So tell me here, cash is increasing or decreasing?
Cash is decreasing.
And bank balance?
Decreasing.
Are you sure?
Oh, sorry. It's increasing in the back. Yeah.
Yes. So from our pocket, cash is going right,
Yeah.
and it is going where?
Into the bank.
In the bank, isn't it?
Yeah.
And both are what?
Asset.
Both are asset, right?
Asset. Yeah.
This is decreasing and this is increasing, isn't it?
Yes.
So in decrease in asset, credit, increase in asset, debit.
Debit.
I hope understood this.
Yes.
Now how to record? See, this transaction will be recorded on both the side. Okay,
Yeah.
this is something new. It will be recorded. We will record this transaction on both the side. Ready?
Yeah.
Now see, first I am going to record the debit. So which account is debit here?
Uh, Bank.
Yes, bank is debit because bank is increase in asset debit. So this is debit side, right?
Yes.
So in debit side, in bank column, I will put the money. How much money?
Uh, you put 1,500.
1,500. And in column for detail, I will write the name of the other account. What is the name of the other account?
Cash.
Cash. And I will put the date Jan 8th, right?
Yes.
Now I am going to record in cash. In bank, I have recorded, right?
Yes.
Now in cash, cash debited or credited?
Credit.
So in credit side, this is the credit side. Credit side, I will record in the cash column because cash is decreasing, isn't it?
Yes.
1,500. And name of the other account?
Bank.
Bank, I will write. So I hope understood the recording.
Yes.
And this transaction, as this transaction is recorded on both the side, so it is known as contra entry. So I will put here C. C stands for contra entry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will discuss it in detail later.
Yeah.
So contra entry means the transaction which is recorded on, which is going to be recorded on both the side of the cash book. I hope understood this.
Yes.
So this is unique transaction comparative to other because rest all transaction were recorded either on debit side or credit side, right? But
Yes.
this transaction was recorded on what?
Uh, this both.
Both the side I have recorded, isn't it?
Yeah. Both. Yeah.
Yes. So it is known as what? Contra
Con
entry.
Contract.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we put money in bank, so bank balance is increase in asset debit, and cash is decrease in asset credit. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Now, tell read out the next transaction.
Sorry, issued check to pay salary 300.
Now tell me, cash balance will decrease or bank balance will decrease?
Uh, Bank balance will decrease
Why?
because it says paid, issued check. So that's
So,
why.
yeah, I am giving check to my employee. So my bank
Yeah.
account balance will decrease, right?
Yes.
So decrease in asset,
Credit.
Credit. Let me put the date here, Jan 8. So credit side in bank column, because bank is decreasing, right?
Yeah.
So 300 I will write here. And what is the name of the other account?
The other account is salary.
Yes, salary. And date will be Jan 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the last transaction. Tell me.
Withdrawn cash for office use 100.
This means what? What did you understand by this transaction?
That they have taken out money from the bank
For what purpose? Personal use or office use?
office.
It means we are getting money from bank and we are bringing that money to our business, right? Office.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, which two items will affect?
Cash and bank
Both are what?
asset.
Both are asset. Now this time tell me, cash is increasing or decreasing?
Cash is decreasing. Sorry, increasing, and
We are
bank
getting money
is
from bank, right? To our business.
yeah,
So cash is
yeah,
increasing and bank balance is
decreasing.
decreasing because we are withdrawing money,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Bank balance is decreasing. So increase in asset debit, decrease in asset credit.
credit.
Got it?
Yes.
So cash debited, right?
Yeah,
So on the debit side in cash column, I will put the money. How much? $100. And
yeah,
when I'm putting money in cash column, so here name of the other account will come bank, and it is also a contra entry, right?
yeah.
What is the date? Jan 10.
Content.
Okay, now I am going to record in bank, right?
Yeah.
Bank is credited.
Yes.
So on the credit side in bank column, I will put the money.
Yeah.
Okay, how much money?
100.
And money is in bank column. So name of the other account will be cash and write down contract. Got it?
Yeah.
Jan 10. So I hope understood what is contra entry. Yes or not?
Yes.
Where
Yes.
both the side transactions are recorded. That is contra entry. Got it?
Yep. Got it.
Yeah. Now I am going to balance. So recording is done. Okay. Now I am going to balance this cash book. Balance we have seen the balance in ledger account.
Yeah.
Yes or not? So same balance we will see here. Okay. Let me record few more transactions. Okay.
Okay.
Jan 11. Purchased goods on account. $3,000 less trade discount at the rate of 10%. Then Jan 12 paid to the supplier $2,600 in full settlement. Now tell me, what should I do with this transaction? Shall I record this or not? Hello?
Yes.
Shall I
Yes.
record
Yes.
this or not?
Sorry?
This Jan 11 transaction, shall I record or not?
No, because it's on account and you
On
cannot
account.
record.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what should I do? 3,000 is the print price, right?
Yeah.
Trade discount is 10%, that is 300. So
Yeah.
what is the bill amount? 2,700, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm not going to record this in cash book because I brought goods on account. Okay. Now read out the
Yeah.
next transaction.
Paid to supplier 2600 in full settlement.
Now tell me how much I'm supposed to pay basically,
2700.
but I am paying only how much?
2,600.
So don't you think we are getting benefit?
Yeah, again, there's a discount.
We are supposed to pay 2,600, but the supplier is asking for only 2,600. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I am going to record this transaction. I am paying. I am paying through check or cash?
Uh, Cash.
Yes, because check is nowhere mentioned, right?
Yeah.
So I will write only cash. So cash is increasing or decreasing?
Cash is decreasing.
So decrease in asset, credit. So credit side I will
Yeah.
write in cash column 2,600 I am paying, and discount column 100. And here I will write the name of the other account. That is what? Trade payable, isn't it?
Yes.
Supplier. Name not given, so I will use this trade payable. Jan 12. Done?
Yeah.
Now see balancing, how I am doing the balancing. So first always I will balance the cash column. Ready?
Yeah.
So cash I am going to balance. So first I will make the total of debit side. So see what is the total of debit side. Total of debit side is this much, right?
Yeah.
Same
Yeah.
total I will put here, 18,800, isn't it?
Right.
And if this is the empty space now to write the balance. So from this total I will subtract all these figures. So I got the balance how much? 7,400, right?
400.
And
Yeah.
what is the last date of the month? Jan 31st. And I will write
Yeah.
here balance, carry it down. Got it?
Yeah.
So understood the procedure? Same procedure what we have learned in ledger.
Yeah.
Make total of debit side. Same total I will put there on the credit side, isn't it?
Yeah.
And find out
Yeah.
the difference. Now tell me, it is debit balance or credit balance?
This is debit balance
Why?
because debit has more, so
Yes,
there's the
correct,
balance, the money left is in there.
correct. Got it. Now come to the discount column. Discount column we will never balance. Remember,
Oh,
debit side total I will write debit side, and credit side total I will write in the credit side. No
yeah.
balance, because this is discount allowed and this is discount received. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to balance which column?
Bank.
Bank we need to balance. So can you tell me which side total is more?
Debit side.
How much?
1,500.
1,500, and same amount I am going to put here, 1,500, right?
Yeah.
Now parallel to this, balance already written na? So parallel to this I will find out the balance. So 1,500 minus these two figures.
So 1,100.
So 1,100 we got the balance. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how we record a transaction in a 3-column cash book. Only cash transactions we record. So
Right.
can you tell me what all thing you have learned in this class?
So I've learned the trade discount, the cash discount.
Mhm.
I've learned how to record money in the 3-column cash book. I also learned that there are 4 cash books. And basically I learned what's contra entry.
What is contra
And
entry? Tell me. Too much
is
learning
when
today, huh? What is contra entry? Tell me.
contra entry is when both sides we record the one transaction in both sides, credit and debit.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is trade discount?
Trade discount is when we give discount in order to encourage the customer to buy things in bulk.
Excellent. And what is cash discount?
Cash discount is when we basically encourage the customer to pay us early, so that's why we give them a bit of discount. Yeah.
Good. Now tell me, out of these two discount, which discount we don't record?
We don't record the trade discount,
Yes. And we record which discount?
cash discount.
Cash discount. Right?
Yeah.
So I hope understood all this recording.
Yes.
Only which transaction we are supposed to record in 3-column cash book? Only cash and banking
Cash and
transaction.
yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Now this debit side discount column, and credit side discount column. We don't balance because both are not same, both are different. Debit side, the column discount represent discount allowed. Discount allowed.
Right.
So discount allowed is good or bad for us?
Bad for us.
We allowed discount, right? So it is a loss, isn't it?
Yeah.
Loss means debit, na?
Yeah.
Because increase in expense and losses, debit, right?
Yeah.
So debit side discount is because when we get money, we allow discount. See here, I am getting money from customer. I allow discount. So it is discount allowed. And credit side discount column represent what? Discount received.
Discount received.
So it is kind of revenue, right? And revenues are
What
always
is it
what?
by what does it mean by discount received?
Like we paid money to the supplier, but rather paying full money, I paid less, na?
Oh, okay, okay.
So it is kind of profit for us, gain for us, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And all revenue and gain, what we do credit. That's why credit side, the column for discount represent what? Discount received.
Received.
So
Yeah.
both are different. Debit side discount column represent discount allowed, and credit side discount column represent discount received.
Received.
Right?
Yes.
Any doubt so far in this 3-column cash book?
Nope.
The format is like account format only, debit and credit side. Got it?
Yes.
So write down the definition of contra entry. Okay, this is the definition. Examples.
Yeah.
So examples, there are only 2 examples. Number 1, there are 2 examples of contra entry. First is paid cash into the bank. Okay, and second one is
Yeah.
withdrawn cash from bank for office use. So these are the 2 examples. Okay, because in both the transaction, both cash and bank account will be affected, right? So
Right.
whenever in any transaction, this cash and bank both are affecting together, impact like having like coming together, then contra entry will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. And some here I withdrawn money for what purpose?
Use office use.
Office use. But sometime I withdraw money for my personal use also. But that is not contra entry. Let's say, let me take transaction here. Jan 13. Cash withdrawn. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Let's say $50 or let's say $100. Read out the transaction, please, once.
Yeah.
Read out this.
Oh, cash withdrawn from bank for personal use, $100.
Understood? So here I am
Yeah.
withdrawing the money from bank, but not for office use, for personal use. Okay? Yes or not?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So bank balance will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Yeah, decrease. So credit side I will write. This is
But
the tell.
since it's for personal use, do we have to record it still?
Yeah, because we withdrawn the money from business bank account, na.
Oh, okay, okay.
Business bank account we have, but after withdrawing this money, that money if I am using for some my personal use, that we will not record.
Right, right.
Suppose you took $100, right? So that this will
Yeah.
record. And using this $100, if you are having like if you are going to restaurant and having some meal or
Yeah.
so that we will not record. That is
Right.
personal, right? Here we are using business money. We are withdrawing money from bank for
Yeah.
our personal use. So bank balance will decrease in asset. Credit side I will write 100, right?
Yeah.
Understood? And here in detail column, I will write, suppose let's say date is Jan 13. Here I will write, tell me what name should I write. This is
Um,
something new for you. This name will be drawings. Okay?
right. Yeah.
I will tell you what is drawings. Actually, there are two accounts which will represent the owner. First is capital, and second one is drawings. Right?
Yeah.
These two accounts, both the accounts are representing the owner actually. So when owner invest money at that time, which account we take?
Capital.
When owner invest money in the business, you see here, see the first thing. Owner invested money in the business, right?
Yeah.
So I have taken capital, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when owner withdraw the money for personal use, at that time, which account I will take?
Drawing.
Drawings. Both capital represent that owner is putting money in the business, investing money in the business, and drawing represent what? That owner is using business money.
Yeah.
I hope understood this.
Yes.
Both the account is of whose account?
Uh, Sorry,
Both the account represent to whom?
the owner.
Owner. But this account I will take when? Capital I will take when?
Capital is when the owner puts in money in
Yes.
the,
And drawings when he use business funds for personal purpose, right?
yeah, when he takes out money. Yeah.
Yeah. So he has taken money $100 from bank. So bank balance decrease. And here I will write drawings. Got it?
Yes.
Now what will be the bank balance? Tell me after this $100. Once he withdrawn the
11.
$100, what will be the balance then?
Oh, then it's gonna be 1,000.
Yes, 1,000. The new balance will be 1,000. I hope
Yeah.
understood.
Yes.
So this is also new thing we learned today, right?
Yeah.
So two accounts are there, and both the accounts, these two accounts representing the owner. One capital when he invests the money, drawings when the owner uses business funds for his personal use. At that time, we will use drawings account.
Right.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Yes.
hope 3-column cash book understood perfectly. Any doubt, anything you can ask.
No.
Only one thumb rule we need to follow. What? That cash and bank we need to follow. Cash and bank both are what? Asset. Right?
Yes.
And whenever they
Yeah.
are increasing, increase in asset, debit side. I will record debit side. And whenever they are decreasing, decrease in asset, credit. I will write credit side. Got it?
Yep.
Now tell me cash and bank will increase when?
It's
When
sorry.
will
You
when
asked.
cash and bank will increase at what time?
It will increase when someone puts in money in the cash or bank, or when you receive a payment.
Yes, when I get cash or when I get check, so both cash and bank will increase. So I will record on debit side. And cash and bank
Yeah.
when they will decrease?
When you have to pay for something, or you have to, or expenses, or you have to pay off
Yes,
liabilities or something.
when I pay through check, when I pay by check or when I pay by check, when I pay by cash and when I pay by check, then cash and bank will decrease. Decrease in asset, credit.
Yeah.
Agree?
Yep.
Okay. Now see, after this January month, we got the balance now. What is the cash balance?
Yeah. Uh,
Cash balance.
1,000.
Cash balance.
Oh, 7,400. 7,400.
And bank balance.
1,000.
And both are debit balance or credit balance?
Both are debit balance.
Debit balance. So this debit balance in the next month. See what will be the next month? Feb 1st, na?
February.
So
Yeah.
both are debit balance. So this balance, both I will put on the debit side next month. Balance brought down. Here carried down. See, CD means carried down, right? Understood?
Yeah.
And here I will write
Yeah.
brought down. And both are debit balance. So I will write next month, I will write on the debit side. 7,400 and here 1,000. Got it?